This is the all-new 16-inch MacBook Pro from Apple. That's right, it's got a 16-inch screen. It's the largest Retina display ever on a MacBook Pro. Weighs 4.3 pounds, which is a little bit heavier, and it's a little bit larger than the MacBook Pro 15-inch model. They've reduced the bezel along all the sides of the screen, but have maintained the 720p FaceTime camera up top. We also have 6 speakers and studio level microphones inside and a brand new Magic Keyboard. This Magic Keyboard is designed more like the Magic Keyboard for your iMac. No more butterfly construction. It does have a scissor construction underneath, and the keys pop on top of a soft thing to give better feel, 1 more millimeter of travel. You'll also notice that the escape key is back. The touch bar is still there, but it's a little bit narrower. There's still a Touch ID in there. Key feel is great. On the inside, it's packed with components. It's got the AMD Radeon Pro 5300 with 4 gigabytes of video RAM to start, but you can go up to 8 gigabytes of video RAM. You can also start with a Core i7 and go all the way up to a Core i9 with an 8-core Core i9. There are 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports in there. And by the way, I have recorded this entire voiceover with the studio microphone that is built into the new MacBook Pro 16-inch model.